In today's video, we will discuss number management as a Genesys Cloud administrator. Now, in order to dial out, the user should be connected to the PSTN or public switched telephone network. Now, since we need numbers for incoming and outgoing calls, Genesys Cloud provides you with direct inward dialing or DID numbers so that you don't have to go to a service provider for that. Now, to do that, click on Number Management. And once you click on Number Management, wait for the page to load and then click on Purchase Numbers. You then need to add the preference number. Now, for example, here we have keyed in 332, which is the area code for Manhattan, New York. Similarly, you can key in the area code of your preference. And once you do that, we click on Search. And almost immediately, you get a list of available numbers, and that is how easy it is. It saves you the hassle of going to a service provider and having to deal with the cable and hardware that come with it. Now, we can now pick the number that we want. And once you have picked the number, we can click on Complete Purchase. And you can then click on Number Management here and find the list of numbers that you have already purchased. For example, here is a list of some of the numbers that I have already purchased. Now, the next step is to assign these numbers to the users or to the call flows. And to do that, click on Admin. And the purchase numbers can be viewed by going to Number Management. That is something that we already covered. Now here, to add those numbers, you need to click on DID numbers. And since the number we purchased, it can be found here. So first we click on Create Range by going to DID ranges over there. Either you can key in the country code over there and then try to find the number, or we also have the option to key in the number directly. Since we bought only one number, we can key in the number directly over here. So that's the number that we just purchased. So we enter it over here at DID start, and we enter the same number here for DID end. Since we bought only one number, if you buy in bulk, you can key in the range of those numbers as well. We keep the service provider as Genesys and click on Save. And the number, it will start showing up here. Now after that, we go to DID assignment, find the number that we just added. And once we have found that number, we click on Assign. Now, you can assign it to either a person, you can assign it to the call flow, or you can assign it to the phone, depending on your preference. Now, this is how simple it is to purchase a number from Genesys and assign a user. Now, to check my details, I can go to my telephony section and open the number pad, and I would be able to see the number assigned to me. I can receive incoming calls and make outgoing calls too. And I hope you enjoyed and understood this particular video. Thank you.